everyone. Welcome to Live Trading 212. It's a new series. It's going to be like it's like lively, like today's date, how the market is driving. So I've got a lot of experience in it. I've been spending so many years in it in the past. So I thought of like put together a program so that everyday trading lively, how I do it, so I can sort of guide through for the new people or the beginners, the people who don't have the experience in trading, the people with the knowledge and experience. They're in a different level, so they know what they're doing. But when I started back in the years, I was new, and then like we all love the money, and then we want to start somewhere. But because in the internet there's a lot of fake information, so the people at the beginning itself they got the wrong information and getting lost. So I thought like put this program together. Like you can see here, I started the small amount as I invested like only 60 and all pounds. So then I purchased trade. But at the moment, because I love to invest it in gold, because and I love to go short time. But the trouble is the market is volatile all the time, so it's up and down. So I choose to invest it in gold. So which is we all know that in time gold price will go up. So you can see as here is a day thing. So if I go to the monthly chart, you can see it's maximum, and then it's like it's going up. The market is trend is up. But if you want to trade short time, so you need to see like this is 1 minute chart. See, like all these candles are like 1 minute, so it's driving down the market. But the thing is, like I purchased the trade about 4 or 5 days ago, and then it's went down during the time, if you see here, and then it's kicked off, and then it's went in there. So the thing is, like I can't keep monitoring all the time because trading is not my full time. So I do like when I get time and all. So I thought like, all right then. So if I spend more time in it, so then we can like master this art. Like if you're a beginner, there's a lot of information here. For example, I can just share a little bit of my experience in it. See all these candles, this is a 1 minute candle. So all these, like if you have the basic information about green and red, like green is when the market is trending up, the red is when market is trending down. So when people are buying, it will go up, and then that's green. When people are selling it, then it's all go down. So in here, like see, like back in the days when people trading, they used to have the manual chart, like like you got to be like Wall Street broker or through the brokerage firm and all that. But now, since the internet comes in, and then the market is huge, it's a worldwide, nobody can like sort of decide which way market is going to go. So talking in that sense, like how can we like sort of profitable out of this market condition? So like we can't predict the market. This is how it's going to go, and then this is what will happen. So what we can do is like the best, like we can take advantage of in a short time frame. So in UK, like we need to have somebody like regulated firm, like the brokerage. There's a lot of I've been with the IQ option, and then they're not UK regulated, and then they were there's a lot of ones. How I started, there's a lot of story to tell in the future. I'll one by one I'll come up with it. How did I start it? How I got into the trading, and then how long period I am trading, and then what I lost. So I love to give a little bit of insight so that you can understand, like like how we can profitable out of this trading thing. So because we don't want to lose money, especially the beginners, because I don't want you people, like buying the fake information and then invest your money and then get lost. So this is the informative video, so that because I was invested a lot of money in it and then I lost it, and then I become like an addicted person, and it's hard to come off of it. That's how it's working. I mean, I don't know whether you people, like, if you heard of Jesse Livermore. Is one of the person, like we say, like is genius. I mean, when it's come to trading, it's well known as a spoken person is Jesse Livermore, who is like got into trading. He's earned wise money, and then he's suicide himself at the end. So it can do such a things. It can drive you mad in that sense, if I say. I know it's a strong word, but it can do such a things when we addicted to that, especially like binary option and all that. As all bollocks. Like, you can learn it, but you can't like go too much on that. Once you got the experience, you have to come off of it, and then you have to understand how the market works, and you have to do the education, then go from there. So then, see, like, I've done it for nearly about 5 years continuously in a different ways and means and all that. And then I stopped for a good old like 2-3 years, and then I started to see that clear, and then I know like when to go in, when to come out, and then I have to profitable out of that. I hope it's not like makes sense for the older people, like, who is expert in all this, because they know more knowledge than me. There's a lot of people like experience and expert, the people I learned and all that from. But the beginners, what my motive is like to guide the beginners not to get into this trap, so that you'll be careful, and then you do the necessary research and education and all that. So when it comes to trading, like, you need to study the candle, like what are the candles means, and then like you have like, see, each candle, this is 1 minute candles, then it goes from like 5 minutes. So that whole body, so whether red or green, that whole body, that's the 1 minute performance. Yeah. So that's what is the market done for the 1 minute. But because it's global, you can imagine how many people are investing in it. It's not like Wall Street like back in the days, but it's because it's an online platform. Anybody from any part of the world with the internet, and then they have the valid account, they can trade on it. So that means we don't know like who going to pump the money in, and then who going to buy it and who going to sell it and all this. So we don't have a control of the market. We can't judge it which way the market is going to go. So all we can do is analyzing the market in a long run. Like I said, like if you see like 1 month chart, it says that it's trending upward, right? So it doesn't means like, if we in a long run, then we can like sort of invest it and then leave it for the long run. We don't need to look at it for like sort of like months and then we can cash it out, because we know like it definitely is going to go up in a long run. And then it's gold, because I don't like to invest it in other things, because I can guarantee the gold it will trend up, because it never loses value, isn't it? It's like the land or piece of property or something like that. So wherever it is, like, so even if we be trading in a short time, like say for example, if you want to be a day trader, and then we have to be very clear. See, like this is 1 day for each candle. Each like it's a 3 month chart. Like each candle is like 1 day. So it shows like what market done in that one particular day. Does it trend up or down? But in between that, like if you see that 1 day thing, then if you see 4 hours, it shows like what happened within that 4 hours itself, there's a lot of after. And then if you see like 1 hour, then you can see like market, how like each candle. But if you combine all these into one, then it's considered like when the market open, and then when and where it's closed. So for example, the market opens here at whatever the time, and then the market closes here, so it considers uptrend. So the whole body combined as like a green bar, but you can see in between. So if we clever enough, you will buy it here, I mean sell it here, and then cash out here, or buy it here like where it is here, and then just sell it, I mean cash out here. So that sort of things. But we have to continuously monitor the market, which way it's going and what it's going to do. And also, in order to do that, we need to get a lot of information, which I'm going to talk about it in the future videos, how we can analyze it. There's a lot of chart you can make it, there's a lot of other tools, and there's a lot of other things we can, but stay together, and then I can like guide you through, because it's a live trading. See how I'm trading. It's saying it's minus, what my trading is, it says minus £6, but I didn't bother, because I know it's going to go down in a short run. Because if I see the 5 minutes candle, like what is it, 4 hours, see where is the red one, that's when I purchased it. It was here, around here, but it went down like few times, 1, 2, hit that again, and then 4, and then it went down here again, and then after that so when it's gone down, I wasn't there, so I didn't bother, because I know it's going to come down. If I say why it's going to come down, if I say, see, look, this point is going to connect it. So if you draw a line from here to here, so that's the peak it's going to hit, and then it's probably, chances are, because it hasn't got no buying power to push that level. So it's going to, because that's how, because everyone's seeing the same information, so everyone investing based on that information. So when its market hit that level, the people with a lot of money, they're going to throw their money out, and they want to push the market down, the sellers, yeah. So they can just, it can just, like the pair comes in and then push it down. That's when, as you see that red bar go straight down. See, that's how force is that one. It went down up to here, and then it's again, it's hike up, and then it's again push it down and up and down, and then see when you hit that level, then it push it. See where is it? You can monitor, yeah. From here, it's going to push it right down as soon as possible. I don't know when. It could be because it's Friday tomorrow, so chances are it may not be straight away. But if you follow that through, I mean weekend market close, and then if you follow through like Monday, Tuesday, you can see that it's going to like kick down, and then if you trade it here, like if you sell it here, for example, where it is, and then when it's gone down from that level, like even £5 and all that, you just cash it out. I mean, how much money you invested, that's how much money you gain. But for the beginners, I'm telling you, start with a small amount and learn it through. That's how you don't need to lose more money. But don't be greedy, because it's a huge market. It's like an ocean. Like you can't like go in, swimming there without learning the skill. You need to learn first, then only you have to go step by step. But because I was greedy when I was begin, and I thought, it's working perfect, I'm earning money, and then I started to throw my money away, and then the more money I put in, it encouraged me to put more and more, because that first winning taste is never gone off. So I just wanted to keep investing and lose, and then I started to learn more from outside and all this. Then I quit completely for about good old 3 years and all this. Then I know how the market is functioning, so I can't put my emotion in it. So it's very hard for the beginners to control the emotion, because this can trigger your mind like anything, like an hell. So anyway, stay tuned. So there's a lot of we have to talk about the candles, how we can analyze the candles, like what are the difference between the candles and all that. So you can study together. I mean, I'm no expert, like there's a lot of people are expert and they're giving classes and all this, but I'm not that expert. But I can understand how this current market is functioning, what it's all about, and I can give you a little bit insight of it. And you're in a safe hand, because you're investing in gold, so, and also you only investing in a small amount. So see, I invested £60, and then £6 lost is not for me. I mean, I don't mind even close this one at this position and wait for the good trade, and then, but I know like it's going to come according to my, if you draw a line from here, the next one is going to kick down, which, see, I put it around somewhere. I mean, I sold it around somewhere here, and then it's pushed down. I missed out, I wasn't there, and it's went down there, I wasn't there, then it's went up, and then it's come down right here. Because when it was here, like this one here, when it was here, I know it's going to go down, but when it came down, I probably stuck at work or somewhere, then I didn't get that advantage. See that little green candle spoke down, it's give a wick, and it gives us an indication the market is going to drive up. This one like 1 day candle, yeah. So the next day it's going to kick up straight away. So that's the indication is give. See that each candle have a different rhythm. Like here, this one has like is a doji called like the market bias or no, there's dead. But the same candle, if it's performing in a different place, like see if you got a short wick or top and then long wick down like the green one here, that gives like the sellers come down, push the market right down, and then buyers comes in to see it. So if you see it's open, the red candle comes in, it's closed it. So the market sold it here, and then buyers comes in, that's where the buyers opening. And then it's push up and down, and it's went up, then push it right down, and then push it back up. So it closed about opening. The next candle performs. So that there's a lot of inside information we're going to talk about in the future. It's going to be a long video in the future. As it's a first one, it's a little beginning introduction. So I thought like to start with it, but I'll in future I'll improve myself, and then I'm not as I said, I'm not like a master or teacher or guru or anything like that. I'm a student like you, and you can give me the suggestion. If I'm wrong, you feel free to correct me. And but I'm here to share my experience, because I've been with many brokers, a lot of them fake. You can't withdraw the money out, and like you need to have your ID verified in order to trade. This one was straightforward, and you need to have a bank account, and then you can transfer it from your card. A lot of other people, they just you need to have the Bitcoin account, this and that. These are all fakes. They never allow you to withdraw money. But this one, I tried it. I withdraw my money and I deposit it. It's all working fine. So I mean, I'm clear. So I mean, I have the hope if I do well, I can withdraw my money. So all I want is, I have set goal now. So I want like from £60 or whatever, I want to build that portfolio to 1,000. So that's my business model. So I'm treating this as a business. So I invested £60, a little profit as a little up. I have other things to do when I get time. I don't want it to be bored. So I would just invest it here, and I monitor the market, and then I'm going to share it what I see in the market, how each candle performing, and then I can go through with it more in detail in coming videos. There we go. Then we all can make money together. Because in trading, you need to treat like as a business model, and then you need to have a goal, and you need to have like sort of a track record, like how you're performing and all that. Like each trade you take it, you need to keep a sort of record, like how much you're making it, so you can see like how you're performing and all that sort of things, So we're going to talk all that in the future videos. Anyway, like if you are watching it up until here, I'm so glad. And then I'm sure like you are new to trading, if you're listening up to this much, and then you want to learn more, follow me for next videos. I want to most update, like I will update it with the data, like live trading as I see current data, and then you can follow up in the future. So that's how you can like the cash out. And then when I got enough people following up, and then I'll like probably trade live. By the time I will be expert as well, I'll be probably making more money and whatever. Yeah, in trading you can make money, but don't buy emotionally, or don't sell out, or don't throw your emotion in it. Just meditation will help. Do meditation if you're a new beginner and all that. Learn how to do little like just normal breathing, meditation and all that. That all help to keep yourself calm and keep your mood under control and all that sort of things. Yeah, if you're watching until here, many thanks. This only for UK traders, but the people from abroad also can get the information. So it doesn't matter which country you are in and which brokers you're going to use it, but the trouble is finding the right broker, because they're not trustworthy. They one or the other. If you see like the reviews and all that, that's not good. I mean, like it's a simple straightforward things. ID verified, I mean, you deposit it, and then trying to get some cash out, like withdrawals, and then see how quicker your withdrawal coming through. That's what you need, you know what I mean? So once the withdrawal coming in, all you have to do is you have to continuously do that. The more money you put it in, you have to take the money out a little less, well, so that you know it's working for you, and then you secured and safe. If any suspicious, you just take your money out, so you're not losing much in it. So that sort of things. It doesn't matter which country and in which part of the world you are. So that's what we're going to do. So so 1 minute charge, its market is going down, but it's not going to go down further because it's Friday tomorrow. It's gold, so it can go up a little bit, but probably Monday, Tuesday it will go down. I'll see if I can take I don't want to be lose £6.61. So if I can even profit a pound extra on my free times or spare times, why not? You know what I mean? So you can do that as well. So anyway, have a lovely day or lovely week, weekend, whatever is coming, and I'll probably catch up like on weekdays on the next video. Thank you.